In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Google Play Store on your Amazon Fire tablet. Hi, this is Justin from Simply Smart, where we make smart home technology as easy as 1, 2, 3. So if you're interested in smart home technology, consider subscribing for more content like this. Also check out the video description for the 3 simple steps to start building your ultimate smart home. Like I said in the beginning, what we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to be installing the Google Play Store on our Amazon Fire tablet. So this process is relatively simple. So the first thing you need to do is you need to determine which Fire tablet you have. So to do that, we're just going to go into the settings and just go down to the bottom, tap on device options, and you would just go to the bottom again. And right here, it says about Fire tablet. Is going to tell you the version and generation of your tablet. So we have a Fire HD 10 9th generation. So note your Fire tablet version and you can go back out to the home screen. The next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be going to the Silk browser. That is it's kind of like a light green icon that says internet with the Amazon smile. So we're just going to tap on that. And then we're going to go to this address. Go up to your address bar and we're going to go to bit.ly/Google Play for Fire. Now you have to have this exactly as you see here on the screen. You must have the capital G, the capital P, and the capital F. So go ahead and type that in. And once you have it all typed in, we're just going to tap on the orange arrow on the keyboard to select that. Alright, and it's going to bring you over to this article on the Android Police website. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go down a little bit further until you find this section. So what we're going to be installing is 4 separate files: the Google Account Manager, the Google Services Framework, the Google Play Services, and the Google Play Store. Like I said before, you need to know which version of the Amazon Fire tablet you have, because you have to download the proper links. So if you have a really new one, it's probably going to be in the first section, but if you have an older one, you're going to have to be very careful and select the proper links for your device. Let's go ahead and download the first file now. That's the one at the top for me. I'm just going to tap that. It's going to take us over to another website. And what we want to do is just scroll down a little bit until you find this red download APK file link. So tap that. And what it's going to do is it's going to say at the bottom, do you want to keep this file essentially? And obviously we do want to keep this file. So we're going to tap on OK. And then we're going to go ahead and open the file just by tapping the open. All right, so right on this screen, what you want to do is just install the Google Account Manager. So we're going to tap on install, and you can see it is installing. And then it says app installed, and we're going to tap on the done. All right, now we can tap the back button 2 times. So now we have done the Google Account Manager. Now we're going to go to the blue section, which is the Google Services Framework. So once again, my links are at the top. So I'm going to tap on the top one, but be sure you get the proper links for your device. It's very important or this will not work. All right, so now we're going to scroll down a little bit more and we just need to find that download APK red button there. Tap on that and it's going to start downloading. And we're just going to tap on OK and tap on open. And then we just want to click on install, and you can see that it is installing and now installed. Tap on the done again, tap the back button 2 times. All right, so now we are done with the blue section. Now we're going to go to the gray section, tap on the link for your device. Now this one looks a little bit different. There's going to be a bunch of different options here. So just try the top version. So I'm going to tap on the top version here. You just want to make sure it doesn't say beta. All right, so we got that. Go down. Now we're to our familiar looking part here. Download APK file. Tap on that. Tap on OK. And it is downloading the file. This one's a little bit larger, so it takes a little more time. All right, and then tap on open and tap on install. All right, now this one says app not installed. Now, if this happens, what you need to do is just try another version. I was really hoping this was going to happen when I did this. That way I can show you how to fix it. So we're going to tap on Done here. We're going to tap the back button in one more time. All right, so we tried the first one here. So let's try the second one. This one is from January 20th. So we're going to tap on that and just scroll down a little bit and tap on Download APK. All right, so just tap on the OK button again and tap on Open. All right, now tap on Install. And this one did install. So if you have that issue, just try another file. Now we can tap Done and tap back. All right, so now we have one more section. We just did the gray section. Now we're to the green section. And this is the same for all models, so just tap on the link there. And we're just going to try the top one again. Just make sure it doesn't say beta. And scroll down. Right, here we are. And just click on Download APK again. As you can see, the steps are just basically the same every time. Tap on OK. And tap on Open. And tap on Install. All right, now tap on Done. All right, so now we have downloaded all 4 files. We installed all 4 files in the correct order. Now if we go back out to the home screen, you can see that the Google Play icon is now on our home screen. And what you would want to do is at this point restart your Fire tablet. So you just hold down the lock button, and then on the right hand side, you can power off or restart. Also, if you still have issues, you may just have to wait for say 30 minutes to be sure that all of the files that we downloaded are updated to the latest version, because the Google Play Store will automatically stay up to date once you install all of those 4 files. So it may just need to update itself. So if you get really frustrated, just set your tablet down, come back 30 minutes to an hour and see if it works. All right, so I have now restarted my Fire tablet, and now we can check and see if the Google Play Store works. So I'm just going to tap on the Google Play Store icon. And there we go, it comes up. Now if you haven't actually signed in to any Google apps on your device, which I already have, you would have to just log in with your Google credentials. I know I'm logged in because I can see my picture in the upper right hand corner. So now if we wanted to say download an app, let's just download TikTok. So we're going to tap on that, and we're going to tap on Install. And then once it's installed, we can open it and see if it works. All right, so it does open. It's at the wrong orientation for this video, but it does open, so we know that it does work. All right, now if you have any trouble after you restart your Fire tablet, there are some troubleshooting steps on the article itself. And we go to the article again. You just want to scroll down. Here's some fixes for some common problems. And then there also are some troubleshooting steps. So if you are having any issues, check out the troubleshooting steps here, and that should fix the issues that you are having. Otherwise, you can see it's very simple. All you have to do is download those 4 files, install them in the correct order, and then you will automatically have the Google Play Store right on your Fire tablet. So I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Also check out my other videos on the screen now, and I will see you in the next video.